We get it. You rented a smoke machine. You found a brick wall. And you know the lyrics. That's not a music video. That's a performance video. And unless you're Beyonce, nobody wants to watch you lip sync for 4 minutes straight. In fact, I don't even think I'd want to watch Beyonce lip sync for 4 minutes straight. The best music videos aren't just cool shots edited to a beat. They're visual metaphors. They tell a story that runs parallel to the song, without just repeating what the singer is saying. I'm Gareth Wenzel. I've been teaching filmmaking and media production for over a decade, and I'm going to teach you how to make music videos that actually make the audience feel something. I'm going to show you how to use lyrics and subtext, not just subtitles. So let's diagnose the problem. You're suffering from literalism. We call this see, say. If the lyrics say I'm driving a car, you film a car. If the lyrics say I'm sad, you film someone crying. That's boring. That's karaoke with a camera. You can use the lyrics, but you don't have to obey them completely. You want to create irony. If the lyrics say I'm having a good time, show me a bank robbery going wrong. If the lyrics say I love you, show me a stalker building a shrine. Give me a metaphor. Now, before you listen to the beat, you need to find the engine. Even a music video needs a character arc with 3 pillars. Pillar 1 is the goal. What does the character in the video want? And I don't mean the singer, I mean the character. Maybe they want to escape a room. Maybe they want to save their partner. The song provides the energy, but the goal provides the direction. Pillar 2 is the flaw. What is the internal block? The pain, the memory, the ghost. This is usually the emotion that the song is trying to express. Pillar 3 is the truth. What is the release, the moment of acceptance? The music video is the journey of the character struggling with the emotion to reach the goal until they find the release, which is the truth. Now let's map that engine onto the song structure using my score story framework. S is for setup. Verse 1, the vibe. Establish the visual world. If the song is fast and angry, maybe the world is sterile. It's a white room. Establish the void. Show the character alone. Show the stasis before the change. Use the lyrics to set the tone and not the scene. C is for conflict. The chorus, the disruption. The music swells. The beat drops. The visuals need to break the pattern. If the verse was static shots, the chorus is handheld movement. This is where the character encounters the object of desire or the source of pain. They see the girl, they see the monster, they see their old self in the mirror. O is for overdrive, the bridge or the solo. This is the peak of the song. The guitarist is shredding, the drummer is going nuts. Your visuals need to match that energy. Overdrive is visual chaos. It's rapid cutting, it's light leaks, it's abstract imagery perhaps. The character is drowning in the emotion. They are running, they are fighting. Do not put a slow motion shot here. You're going to kill your pacing and energy. R is for reversal, the silence, the drop. Almost every great song has a moment before that final chorus where everything stops. A beat of silence, a single piano note. This is your reversal. The character stops fighting and they realize the truth. It's the breath before the scream. E is for enlightenment, the outro. The song fades out, the feedback rings. Show us the aftermath. Is the character destroyed? Or are they perhaps free? Give us one final lingering image that summarizes the theme. A burning rose, an empty chair, a sunrise perhaps. Let's now look at a practical example. And this is the irony method. This is how you use lyrics without being a slave to them. Let's say the song is a sweet acoustic love song. The lyrics are, I will never let you go, I will stay by your side. All right, the literal version, is a couple holding hands in a park. Vomit. Let's try the metaphor version. Let's make it a zombie movie, because everything is better with zombies. So, the setup is a desolate wasteland. The goal is to reach the safe zone. The flaw is denial. The hero is carrying his wife. She has a bite mark on her arm. She's sweating. Lyrics are, I'll stay by your side. And the meaning is, he refuses to leave her behind. Conflict is when the chorus hits, she starts seizing, she attacks him, he pushes her off, but he won't hurt her. The world, which is the virus, is pushing back against his goal. Overdrive is the bridge. She turns, full zombie mode. She screams, he is cornered against the wall. He's holding her back with a frickin' chair. He's crying. He's doubling down on his flaw. He still thinks he can save her. The reversal is when the music drops to silence. Maybe the lyric is, I'll never let you go. The visual, he kind of raises his gun. The truth hits him. To save her soul, he has to end her life. He pulls the trigger, and Enlightenment, the outro, he walks into the safe zone area. He's alone. He's safe, but he's broken. The lyric maybe is, I'm with you always. It plays as he looks at her empty ring in his hand. Do you see what we did there? We used the lyrics, I'll never let you go, but we flipped the meaning. In the song, it's romantic. In the video, it's tragic. That's subtext. So here's your homework. Pick a song, but don't pick up a camera. Listen to it with your eyes closed. Find the reversal. Find the moment in the song where the energy shifts, and write a story that pivots on that exact beat. Stop illustrating the lyrics and start visualizing the feeling that the song creates. This is the end of our score video series. If you watched all the videos, you now have a mental model that puts you ahead of 90% of media producers out there. And if you enjoyed these videos, I think you'll like this one as well. I'm Gareth Wenzel, that media prof. Now go grab a camera and make some noise.